Okay, people, so we are ready and we're going to the hospital now. So let's take you guys along to see what it's like. What, Zefi?
Taking the purple one.
What purple one?
This one.
You wanna wear that one?
Yes.
Okay, so wear it. Anyway, so just our bus leaves in a few minutes.
Okay,
we'll just go downstairs.
How many minutes?
Bye.
So bye bye for now. Morning guys, how are you doing today? How have you guys been? So it's been a while. We actually did like a normal vlog like our daily life, and today is actually going to be quite a busy one for us because I'm done with the flu. I've got cat and cough, the usual, and also the boys are also done with the flu. Like they've literally been passing.
I think I'll go to the doctor.
Yeah, you're going to the doctor, and they've been passing it back and forth. I don't know if parents out there can relate. Like 1 minute Sefi has a cough and he's getting better, or he's better, and then Zayn takes over, and really it's been challenging for us because right now we're like both working. Even as much as we're working from home, it's just, see, he's sneezing. It's just really hard. Like, yeah, so Potter and I were going to the doctors for them to get checked and for them to let us know, because I think with Zayn we think Zayn's own is more of an allergy because when he goes to school and 2-3 days later he has a flu, so we feel he's allergic to something in his class, but the doctor his teachers, more like the caregivers in school, said for them to keep him every time in school, he needs a certificate of clean health. So that is what we're going for today, and we'll take you guys along as we go. And afterwards, I think we'll go. They're really excited. Afterwards, we'll go shopping. Yeah, we need to get some shelves for the house.
And I forget chocolate.
What?
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Who's
going to buy you chocolate?
When you told Daddy and Mommy yesterday that your church buys you diapers.
Don't mind
Daddy and
him.
Mommy that buy you diapers.
Anyways, so let me go have a bath and get ready, and we'll see you guys. Yeah, that's it. Trying to climb. And we'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye.
Bye.
So yes, we'll take you guys along to see what it's like taking the kids to. Oh, and it's a beautiful day. It's quite sunny today, so yes, it's quite sunny today, so it's a good one for us. I just noticed I haven't shown you guys Zuti and Zelda since we introduced them. The girls are doing good, so let's say hello to Zuti. Can you see she's growing really well? And also, I noticed with Zelda, she's been English is not my best friend here. The word I'm looking for in English, I can't find it. But bottom line is, see, can you see this growth, this extra growth? Like, I noticed a couple. There's one here, and there's another one. I don't know if you can see it, and there's another one here also. So yeah, the girls are doing very well. Like, they're doing really good. For those that think that I'm going to kill Zuti and Zelda, you know yourself if you are watching this. They are still alive. Anyway, so our bus leaves in a few minutes.
Okay,
we'll just go downstairs.
How many minutes?
Bye.
So bye bye for now.
Hi.
Updates: we are at the clinic and we're just waiting for the doctor. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're waiting for the doctor. That's Zefi over there. Zayn is sleeping. So yeah.
found it?
Yeah, I found it.
Oh, something small, yeah?
Like, I think it's not the whole wall. It's not the whole wall I want to cover. So something small and the frames. The frames can go into it. Do you understand? They can go into it. And that is it.
Zeffy, do you like it?
But do you like this?
No.
That's big.
Zeffy doesn't like it. Once Zeffy doesn't like it, we don't pick it.
There's already like
Stopper.
exactly like this. So it's just smooth and like that. And it's cool.
Yes, I.
So, what color are you looking at doing?
White. Definitely white because the browns in the house are of different shades, and I feel like the brown that is here, if we end up taking something like this, it would be so contrasting, and we have like too many contrasting browns. So this
Timmy, say what you said again. You don't want something to say, come on now, why don't you pick my own?
because I don't want something that was like taking the whole space.
Okay, you don't want something
I don't
too,
want it too big. Like,
you don't like,
moderate.
you want it moderate. Okay.
And there's the black one. There's the black.
Yes, I like it.
You like it, yeah? So you like it, Zeffy? Which one do you like, white or black?
White.
White. Say that part again.
In our bedroom. It
It
has
ha-
to be shut.
Not too long.
I swear, you need Jesus in your life. You need Christ in your life.
Hey guys, so we're done with Ikea, and we noticed that there's a store we love, so we came.
Thumbs up.
Super thumbs up, yeah. We noticed there was a store we love to buy our stuff from, and we stopped by. Came to buy noodles for Zeph and mousse for Jane, and guguru for mommy. We don't know what daddy wants yet.
This man is hunting for noodles. Like, oh my god. Timmy, did you really have to go on your fours? On your fours to get noodles? Like,
Guys, when noodles is scarce.
I can't believe you actually went on your fours just for noodles. Eh? We bought all the Nigerian looking noodles
This
from
is one thing that is very difficult to get here, except you get it in African stores, and it's slightly more expensive.
Yeah,
When
actually.
you get it, yeah? Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Today's Sunday. Yesterday you were with us when we went shopping, went to Ikea to get some things. We didn't tell you what we got. So we got some hanging shelves, and we would like you to follow us as we hang them today. We are still considering height. Our is of the opinion that it should be in line with the TV. So we are thinking and deciding what we should do with. But these are the hanging shelves we got. So planning to put them like so. Just basically to have some decorations. I mean, the house looks blah, so we're trying to spice it up a little. Hopefully this
Why are
will
you
work.
making it sound like the house look blah? Like, come on, we've tried a little. Just that it's just a very large wall.
So Audra is doing this specifically for this our presentation. Usually she's always the house looks blah. I can't sleep. Blah blah blah.
No.
Blah, blah,
I don't
blah.
always say the house look blah. I'm like, the wall is too plain.
Blah.
It's
That's
not
what you go,
blah. I'm
blah.
like, it's too plain. It's
So,
too plain.
I need
Just
something-
answer different
I
words.
need something on
Blah.
my wall. I need something just to
Yeah,
put
just
on.
put something
I can't
on the
sleep. I can't sleep when I want to slide out in the living room. Blah blah blah. Anyway, so
Brother, when did I say I can't sleep because there was nothing on the wall?
you always say that.
You should, you know, I don't even know I'm arguing with you right now.
So anyway, bottom
Just
line,
do your
we're
carpenter
not
work
sure-
for me
you see,
this
man,
morning.
You're just a bush woman. It's not carpenter work. This is an interior decoration, yeah.
Hi, Zen. You're
So
fine.
anyway, we're still considering height, and guys, let's be very specific, okay? It's not what I want to put as height because we'll put something here tomorrow. She'll say nope, this height doesn't work. So Audrey is still considering height. We're waiting for her because she's the specifics, yeah.
Okay, guys. So, Timmy, it's not like I'm specific about height. As much as I want a particular height, I'm a little bit conflicted because I really want it to flush with the TV, but at the same time, if that the first one flushes with the TV, maybe the second one we start like from, I don't know, this height from here, which is on the TV, and Zane is not to be trusted.
Zane, can we trust you? Zane, Zany.
Anyways, Zane doesn't have anybody's time. But bottom line is, though he's been really good boy, let's give him that when it comes to some things. But I don't know, you see that it starts above the TV? The second one starts from the middle.
Mm-hmm.
So it's I really wish it's something we can like.
Look at me, Daddy. Look at me.
Okay, look at Zeffy. I really wish it's something that we can actually ask people first and then they let us know. But there's no time. This can be lying around because the boys have just been especially Zane. Okay, guys, let me tell you something. I have never seen a man that is so excited. Every single time I'm like, oh, fix something. He's so happy to bring out his toolboxes. Like, that is the one time that Stevie doesn't complain. I'm like, Timmy, we need to hang this. Like, oh, okay, all right. When like, he's always so happy. Say, this one. Like, I say you're missing your architectural days, eh? Like, he's always so happy. I say, even small thing. Zane. Small thing, I'll tell this man to have. Something that I can just use glue. He's like, oh no, Timmy, let me get my tools. Let's drill it. Like, I have not seen. You see this? He loves them so much, like he doesn't joke with them. But Zane.
Nothing gonna hard to fix something.
And now what did you say you wanted to even buy again? The which one? Zane, what did you say you wanted to buy again? Yeah, you said you wanted to buy something. Was this spanner?
Yeah, but I bought one and then we left it at
Yeah, that's true. No, we left it and they stole it. The first time ever they stole something from us in Poland. We left it at the bus stop, and in less than 10 minutes. This is like the really first time, because every single time we leave stuff at the.
Please, mind you, we don't just leave stuff, okay?
Yeah. Anyway, so we went shop on that Sunday after mass. I think we went for lunch, and after lunch, is that be quiet, please? Went after mass, we went for lunch, and after lunch, that's why I forgot this one at the bus stop. Oh. No, you can't have phone today. Sorry. Bottom line is, in less than 10 minutes, went back for it and it was gone. No, today is Sunday. The stores are not open today anymore. So that, like, I was so shocked and it was so sad because we got like silicone beeps for Zane for school, and then he got like a set of spanners. That was one that really hurt us the most because it was quite expensive. But hey, my mother would say, they're taking away your sorrows, they're taking away your pain. Taking away everything that's supposed to be wrong with you. Huh?
Hey guys, so tomorrow, what are you guys doing tomorrow? Tomorrow is Valentine's Day. And I'm asking only because, I'm asking the person holding the camera what exactly is happening tomorrow.
I've told you. Always ask questions.
Her Valentine's present is ready. Card is ready, everything is ready.
To me, it's not all about giving presents. It's not about giving presents. It's spend time with your loved one, okay?
This is what happens. Now you see, when the shoe is on the other foot, it's different. When I've not gotten anything, she goes, "What are you getting me on Valentine's Day?" And I'm like, "No, it's not about the presents. It's about."
But I asked you, what do you need right now? I've told you we've gone past.
I know what you've always wanted, so I got.
Yeah, exactly. And I reminded you, like, oh, I did remind you. I said, if you want to get me something for Valentine's, please kindly get me this. And for you, I think I know what you want, but there was no time. So you're going to get maybe. And see, Valentine's. There's no put pressure on people, okay? Val's Day is not all about present. It's appreciating people. Some of us just want a word of appreciation. Write me a good poem. Recommend a good movie for me to watch and dedicate it to me.
Guys, I'm gonna quote her on all the.
I said Valentine. I said Valentine. I didn't say my birthday. I didn't say my birthday. Okay. So just recommend a good.
For example, it's like Valentine's Day.
Yeah, anniversary. But for me, anniversary, you always have to write a poem. Like, it's a tradition we have to write letters to each other. So.
Yeah.